4 guidelines to avoid pitfalls when buying printing machines from China. 1. Avoid the false parameter labeling pitfall. Request a third-party test report and focus on verifying core parameters such as printing speed, overprinting accuracy, and maximum substrate thickness. Do not rely solely on the manufacturer's promotional materials. 2. Avoid the after-sales void pitfall. Clarify after-sales terms in the contract. Confirm whether services like free installation and commissioning, on-site maintenance during the warranty period, and the supply cycle of wearing parts are included. Reject vague commitments like after-sales service at your own expense. 3. Avoid the low configuration at high price pitfall. Break down the configuration list and compare the brands of key components, for example, motors, control systems, printing rollers. Be alert to cases where general-purpose parts are used instead of industry-specific parts, while charging at the price of high-configuration models. 4. Avoid the discrepancy between sample and actual product pitfall. If conditions permit, conduct an on-site inspection of the machine at the factory, or ask for a video of the equipment in operation with the production batch number marked. Clarify the terms for consistency between the sample and the delivered product to prevent received goods not matching the order. If you are in need of procuring printing machines, please feel free to contact us. We can provide you with customized solutions and support to help you smoothly complete the procurement process.